Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by melting chocolate with sweetened condensed milk and butter. This is the flavor core. Use low, even heat so chocolate emulsifies instead of seizing. Once the mixture is glossy and smooth, take it off heat promptly to avoid graininess. Make sure to stir continuously to distribute butter and salt for balance. If you want nuts or extracts, measure now but don't add them yet. Keep the base warm so additions fold in evenly without cooling the mix too fast. Once off heat, continue stirring to cool and thicken the fudge to a ribbon-like consistency. This controls final texture. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and any nuts or dried fruit now so they disperse evenly. Fold gently to avoid introducing air. You're aiming for a glossy, slightly viscous batter that falls off the spoon in a continuous band. That indicates proper emulsification. If it's too runny, wait a minute and stir more. If it sets too fast, pour the warm fudge into your lined pan and smooth the surface. Press foil edges for easy removal later. Chill in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours until firm, then lift by foil and cut into squares with a hot knife for clean edges. Store airtight at room temp up to 5 days or refrigerate longer. If your fudge turned grainy, don't panic. Gently reheat over very low heat with a tablespoon of milk while stirring to re-emulsify and restore creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.